Founded in 1901 by Peter Allison Bishopric, the British-American sealing wax company specialized in sealing wax and lacquers. In 1905, a patent for brewer's pitch developed by his son fueled the company's growth in beer-centered Cincinnati. By 1915, the company officially changed its name to Bishopric. 1918 brought prohibition to Ohio, halting alcohol production and hurting the company's linings business. That same year, founder and chief innovator George F. Bishopric died during the flu pandemic. Fast forward to the 1950s, and the growing demand for tank linings led Bishopric Products to begin fabricating its own tanks, creating what would become the Enerfab fabrication division. The 80s catapulted the company forward with tremendous growth. In 1982, Enerfab's power division was launched following Bishopric Products' acquisition of Oberle Jordry, a firm specializing in boiler erection and power plant equipment. 2 years later, in 1984, the company adopted the name Enerfab, reflecting its expanding focus on engineering, energy, erection, and fabrication. And while the power industry boomed, Enerfab was once again revolutionizing the beverage industry. This time, it was a pioneering solution for aseptic tank storage for orange juice. In 1994, Enerfab opened its first regional office in Bridgeville, Pennsylvania, expanding industrial construction, maintenance, and project services across Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and Ohio. Enerfab followed that with an expansion west into Kansas City in 1998 with the acquisition of Fischbach Power Services. All of that growth set the company up for continued success in the power market. As the industry adopted clean air standards, Enerfab met the moment with 2 successful SCR projects and a partnership that allowed the company to become a leader in AQCS. In 2002, the growth continued as the company acquired Brighton True Edge, adding cold-formed head fabrication. In 2005, the company acquired ACOC Rigging, which created a new regional office in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and expanded Enerfab's capabilities in large equipment moving, setting, automated racking systems, and gas power generation construction and maintenance. And then acquired piping systems in 2007, which eventually became Enerpipe. Over the next 2 decades, Enerfab continued to add to its capabilities through acquisition and additional regional offices. Brown Electric in 2010 added a self-performing electrical division. In 2014, due to the growth of the power division, the brand shifted internally to Enerfab Power and Industrial, focusing on fabrication of pipe, steel, modules, and the construction and maintenance, while Enerfab Process Solutions, with their fabrication headquarters in Cincinnati, Ohio, and their Gulf Coast facility located in Natchez, Mississippi, focused on the growth of critical process equipment. Foley Company in 2015 brought more resources to Kansas City, and TMI Contractors in 2019 added structural steel fabrication capabilities. Enerpipe expanded with a second fabrication shop in 2021, and Enerfab launched Enerfab Modular in 2025 to meet the growing demand for prefabricated constructability solutions. For 125 years, we've built with pride, purpose, and the belief that hard work speaks for itself. Our company has evolved and grown time and time again, and the last 5 years have been some of the most exciting in our company's history. We're proud of the people and partners that brought us here, and we are ready for what's next.